Hi, it's Miss Kravchak. I am your math teacher for this summer. I'm sorry you couldn't make it with us today, but I wanted to give you an opportunity to see what it is that we did. So I'm going to walk you through quickly what it is that we talked about, so you might still get a chance to do some practicing if you have time today. So today was Monday, July 6th, 2020. And our big idea was I can use place value understanding to read, write, and identify values in 6-digit numerals or through pictures and models. To do that, we started with a video. So I'm going to play this video for you now.
One, two, three, comma, B. After three, it's a comma, you see. And that first comma there. That's a thousands, comma, didn't you hear? One, two, three, digits for me. When there's three, it's the hundreds, you see. 321. When those three turn to four, you pass the hundreds and the commas in store. 1,321. Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand. Don't ask your mama. Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand. Just say thousand like this. Say the number you see in front of the comma. When you see the comma, say thousand. Then say the number you see after the comma. 9,402. 52,486. 255,321. 1, 2, 3, comma, B. More than three, it's a comma, you see. And that first comma there. That's a thousands, comma, didn't you hear? 1,321. You see that first comma, just say thousand. Don't ask your mama. Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand. Just say thousand like this. Say the number you see in front of the comma. When you see the comma, say thousand. Then say the number you see after the comma. 8,888. Number than thousand, then 888. 88,888. Number than thousand, then 888. 888,888. Number than thousand, then 888. 1, 2, 3, comma. More than three, it's a comma, you see. And that first comma there. That's a thousands, comma, didn't you hear? Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand. Don't ask your mama. Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand. Now try to say these numbers on your own. Don't forget what to say when you see the first comma. 3,678. 57,821. 321,654. 1, 2, 3, comma, B. More than three, it's a comma, you see. And that first comma there. That's a thousands, comma, didn't you hear? But every time you see that first comma, just say thousand. Don't ask your mama. Every time you see that first comma, just say thousand. Just say thousand. When you see the second comma, say million.
The next thing we did was practice creating some numbers. So we did this together. We read them aloud, and then the students helped me add numbers to our chart there to create these numbers. This one is 203,541. So to create this number, I would need a 2, a 0, and a 3 for 203,000. Now remember from our video, when we see that comma, we say 1,000, 203,541. So now I need a 1 in the ones place. Now remember all of these places, this is the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and then 100,000s. So this 3 here is in the thousands place. So the value of that is 3,000. This 4 is in the tens place. So the value is 40. Let's try another. 465,153. Well, I need a 465. 465 is 465,153. I'm going to need to copy and paste my 5 here. 153. So the value of my 3 is 3 ones because it's in the ones place. This 5 is the digit 5, but it's in the tens place, so it's 50. This 5 is the digit 5, but it's in the thousands place, so it's 5,000. One more. 970,214. 970 looks like 9, 7, 0. 970,214. 214. 214. Now my 4 is in the ones place. 4 ones is 4. Over here I was 7, but my 7, the digit 7 is in the 10,000s place, so this would be 70,000. After we practiced reading, writing, creating numbers, we played a bingo game. We can't play the bingo game without you being present, unfortunately. Maybe next time we play bingo, you'll be able to be with us. And then I introduced for you your independent task and your extra practice for math this week. So on this slide here, if you click in Schoology, so back in Schoology, your 3rd grade course for Schoology, you have a folder for math. And in that math folder, you have week 1. And we're in week 1 right now. That first link right here, this is your place value follow-up. Now, if you ever see a screen like this, it just means that you need to open it in your own window. So if I click that square up there, I'll show you again where I clicked. If I click this square with the arrow, it'll open in a separate window for me. So your independent task for this week is to pick a game to play, then complete your independent assignment in Schoology. And then if you want, you can check out the VB Learning for All. So here for step 1, I have 2 different games, and you can pick one of these to play. Step 2 is your independent task, which is found in Schoology. So if you click on that task, it'll bring you back to week 1's folder. And in week 1's folder, you have your place value independent task here. Okay. And then if you want, you can go to the VB Learning for All site. And on this site, there's a special page just for 3rd grade. And you have both language arts and math resources here for you. Okay. And week 1 for math for the VB Learning for All site is also place value. So here you have another place that you can do some practice. Well, we missed you today, and I hope I get to see you tomorrow. And if not tomorrow, I hope I get to see you next week. These resources are still here for you. I would love to see you play a game and work on that independent task or assignment. And if you need more practice with place value before you work on that assignment, you can definitely go to that VB Learning for All site and get some more practice with place value. Bye.